Alright, so today we are doing a project in the Canode home. This project is replacing the valve seals in these old tub faucet valves. First thing you got to do is turn off your water outside. Okay, these valves are very old and all froze, but I was able to break free the nut here and use a crescent wrench and break it free. And unscrew it out of there. And you see these seals right here, they are bad. My hope is that I can replace this whole thing, but we shall see. Next, we want to see if we can take this guy off. So far, so good. If I have to replace the whole valve assembly, that's going to be quite a bit more work that I'd rather not get into doing. So, let's okay. You can also use pipe dope. Put a little bit on your finger and just put it in the threads of the fitting. And screw it on. Key is to get it straight, pointing down. Whew. Alright, that's good. So we bought our new washers, which go right there, like so. And you got your little screws that hold them in. And they don't have to be super tight or anything, because all they do is hold the washer in. Okay. So then you put some faucet grease on the shaft. and slide your mounting fitting back on. There's also Teflon string that I'll show you. Cut about 3 inches off. Put this down. Wow, stuff's tougher than hell. So take your string, and it was located right here on the last one. So I took it off. You wrap it around like so. The grease kind of holds it on as well. Just make sure you got yourself a rag. So then you put your grease on your threads too. Like so. Wouldn't hurt to put any foam on here. It won't stay on, but put a little bit on there as well. Okay. Stick that sucker back in here, and you gotta screw it in like so. And I want to put some pipe dope on this guy right here. Like so. And what you're doing is you're sealing all possibilities of leaks. Kind of mash that into threads, see? Like so. Slip that baby on there. Alright. Get your crescent wrench. Okay. Alright. That's good. That's good. Get your new flange. Look at that. Look at that. Things gonna be like brand new, man. Okay. And okay. Let me time out for a minute here. So we're going to do the hot now. Same thing. Put the washer on, screw. Being a little stubborn, so I'm gonna cut you off. Okay, so we're back, Jack, and we can install our new trim piece. Okay, so we took their old stop. This is called stop, and it goes down inside there. And you want to put some grease on it. There's a golden rule about greasing things and lubing parts and pieces that move together, slip and slide, twist and churn. And the golden rule is that if it can be greased, grease it. Okay? That's the golden rule. If it can be greased and you think it'll function better, it will. And that is true. like things to work better. I like things to work better. While I'm on here, I might as well plug my company. I own a company called PRF Shelving, Perfect Shelving Solutions. And it is portable shelving units for rental trucks, utility trailers, or any type of cargo vehicle. And they're great, man. And you can go to prfshelving.com and see the wonderful shelving system. It is the only, and I'm telling you, it is the only truly portable shelving system on the market. Got a patent. Very proud of that. And sell most of my, oh my God. My primary customer is contract drivers for FedEx and package delivery. Okay. So I want to cut these tongs off so there's no interference. Oh jeez, come over there, Bubba. Okay. And okay, it works. That's a good thing. Put our new screws in. Phillips screwdriver. So excited! He's gonna be happy. Oh man, look at that. Maybe I'll get some later for my efforts. You never know. Okay, time to sign off. I'll make sure I'm looking good. So this is me, and gonna be doing more of these, and really enjoyed doing this kind of thing and working with y'all. Peace out later, bro, or broettes.